Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Stuck on how to make your email marketing more effective? Well, let me tell you that you can actually use AI to improve your content. In this video, I will give you a complete guide on how to effectively use AI for email marketing. Let's go. Actually, the email marketing tools market is very competitive because it's one of the cheapest ways to reach your audience directly. So, to make it easier for you to choose, I've narrowed it down and picked out the best tool out there right now. With this tool, you can create marketing campaigns, build subscriber lists, send campaigns, and even perform bulk SMS marketing, all from one easy-to-use dashboard. Plus, it provides real-time analytics on your email campaigns, so you can see how well they're doing and make improvements to your advertising plans. To start creating your email campaigns, you can use my link below to create your free account and grab a special welcome gift just for you. Once you've signed up for the program, there are a few initial steps you need to take before creating campaigns. First, build your subscriber list. After all, these are the people who will be receiving your emails. From the menu on the side, expand the email section and go to the Lists tab. Click New List and give it a name. In my case, since I'm creating an email campaign for my baking business, I'll name the subscriber list something related to that. Then you have two main ways to build your list. You can either create your own custom sign-up form to collect subscribers one at a time, or import existing email addresses manually or from a CSV file. Just make sure your subscribers have given you clear permission to send them commercial emails. Always make sure you're getting subscribers legally and avoid buying or renting email lists. Now that you've set up your list of subscribers, the next step is to choose your email template. Head over to the Templates menu. Click New Template and explore the extensive collection of ready-made designs. Already have a design on hand? Well, just click Import Template and upload it using a URL, HTML code, or a zip file. At this point, you can immediately draft the basic layout of your email campaign, or you can save the template and work on the design later when you're actually creating your campaign. Once you have your email recipients and your template ready, go to the Campaigns menu on the side and click New Campaign to start creating your content. There are different types of campaigns you can create depending on your needs. Newsletters are used to send promotions, news, and periodic updates to your potential or existing customers to keep them informed about new products, offers, or other information you're promoting. A/B testing lets you send out different versions of your campaign to see which one performs best. Autoresponders are campaigns that are sent automatically when a specific event occurs. Meanwhile, RSS campaigns allow you to easily share updates from your blog. Regardless of the type you choose, the process of creating a campaign with this tool is very similar, so you can easily follow the steps using your own content. Next, set up basic campaign details. Give it a descriptive title. Enter your sender email and name, and write an engaging subject line. You can also enable Google Analytics to track the traffic from your campaign. On the following pages, select the subscriber list you created earlier from the Lists menu, and choose the template you picked out. Since the basic structure of your campaign is already in place, all you need to do is replace any sample product images with your own if necessary, and update the text with your specific ad information. Another great thing about this tool is that you can add more elements like paragraphs, dividers, buttons, stickers, and more to further customize your campaign. It's all drag and drop, so you don't need advanced HTML skills to create your design. When your email looks good to go, click Next and send your campaign to your subscribers. After sending, keep an eye on your campaign's performance through the tool's built-in campaign report. Here, you'll see complete data on opened and unopened emails, so you can understand what's working and improve your marketing strategies based on the early results. Finally, you can use AI to create automations to send out campaigns automatically based on specific triggers. Go to the Automations tab and create a new automated task. First, define what will trigger your automation. For example, when a new subscriber joins your list, when a specific date arrives, or when a new subscriber is added to a specific segment. Then, click the plus button to specify the action you want to happen. Here, you can choose the specific campaign template you want to send, set a delay, trigger notification alerts, and more. Once you're finished, click Run to start the automation. The email campaign will then be sent automatically as soon as the trigger you've set is activated. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.